Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will be showing you how to connect Facebook page to Instagram. So let's get started. Let's talk about the difficulty of connecting Facebook pages with Instagram accounts. Some face problems where their Facebook page connects, but the Instagram account does not, causing frustration. I will teach you how to do so in the simplest way possible. Firstly, you need to open Instagram. Make sure you have a professional account. After this, click on Edit Profile and scroll down until you find Page. Click on that to connect your Facebook. After logging in and connecting your Facebook account, select the page you want to bind with your Instagram account. Make sure you already have created a page, or at least you are an admin of the page you want to link. After which, wait for the page to load. Your page will be 100% linked to your Instagram account. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. See you again next time.